what is the solution to this mess? Simple. Just remove all the pavements from Mumbai roads. For wider roads, less traffic jams and more parking space. Ha! What a brilliant idea. Says all those who never use a footpath. Says all those who hop, jump and skip across the obstacles on Mumbai's footpaths. Says our policymakers with a limited worldview. So, what do? Get rid of the footpaths? No, bad idea. Actually, we really need them. Restore and build them better too, to encourage much more short-distance walking and reduce vehicles on the road for the sake of the environment and for your health.
Have you noticed how difficult it is to walk on a footpath? Even more so if you are on crutches or on a wheelchair.
Oh no, broken tiles, no slopes, no ramps, encroachments everywhere. It's almost telling us stay out at home within the four walls.
We need footpaths for everyone, whether it is a person on crutches, a person on a wheelchair, or a person with visual impairment, whether it's a pregnant woman or a senior citizen. We need footpaths which are accessible to all.
This is not just a dream, we have made it a reality. We have managed to make 1 kilometer stretch of footpaths accessible in Vile-Parle East in collaboration with NCTM and an architect team.
Accessible footpaths, as seen here, have been made based on government guidelines. The footpath shown here is 2-meter wide concrete footpath. It has ramps at set distances for a person using a wheelchair to access the footpath. The ramp has a gradient of 1:12. As can be seen, there are 2 types of tactiles stamped into the concrete. One, in yellow, is the warning tactile, and the other, in grey, is a guiding tactile. These tactiles are used by persons with visual impairment, as they have to use walking sticks to navigate, and the tactiles help them feel the footpath better. The bus stop has a ramp using which people on wheelchair can access road level. This enables them to use buses with hydraulic ramps, which, although few in number, have been initiated by the government of Maharashtra. All sewage caps are flush with the footpath, ensuring zero obstruction. Obstructions, namely utilities, electric DP boxes, trees, etc., are also marked with warning tactiles around them to alert the persons with visual impairment.
We want to make one more footpath accessible here in your backyard, and then kilometer by kilometer we want to cover 2100 kilometers of footpath across the city of Mumbai.
We need your help to build bridges over barriers.
We need your support in the form of funds, as volunteers for audits, as lobbyists, as architects, as contractors, as politicians, as ambassadors, as well-wishers, as fundraisers, as corporate CSR, and as community service clubs. Together, let us make our city a better place to live.